Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I have a really cool video for you. I'm going to do an unboxing on camera. So I'm going to open up one of my inventory boxes. You're going to see what I ordered. It's actually from TKB Trading. So you're going to see what products and stuff that I ordered from there to make my own products. So I'm going to jump right into it. It's right here. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of stuff. I think I spent about $150. So you guys are going to see that. It's the receipt. Sorry if my makeup is like not on point today. I just came home from work and I really wanted to do this video. I've been trying to do this video for almost a week. This box has been sitting and I was like, I'm not going to open it until I show them what's inside and they get to watch me open it. So we're both opening this together. Put this over somewhere. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna do some liquids. I have a red lip liquid. I don't know if you can see this. No, you can't. But it's the red lip liquid. I'm going to be making some like more pigmented colored glosses, so I got some liquid colors. I have white, I have a chocolate brown, I don't know if you guys can see these, some vitamin E oil, and a pink. We're gonna have a pink. Doesn't look pink here, but it looks like more of like a dark, I don't know what color it's like a dark rose pink, but it's pink. It says baby pink. So there's that. We got some pigments, which is cool. We got some pigments. Let's see what we've got. And I'm sorry if I'm rushing through this. Camera is dying and I want to record this before it stops. So we got some holographic glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it, but again, holographic glitter, the microfine. This also got blue diamonds and more holographic glitters. So we have glitters here. I don't know if you could see them, but yes, the holographic glitters are what I use to make my diamond and crystal glosses, which you guys should definitely get or check out. The crystal gloss is like if you want just some glitter on your lips. The diamond is if you really want that glitter on your lips. Your lips will be so glittery. Definitely go on the website, check it out. Or Instagram, you can check out as well. I forget why I got this, but I got yellow. It's a yellow pigment. Sorry if I keep looking over there. It's because my monitor's over there and I just want to make sure it's in frame, or if it's like I want to make sure that it's clear and you guys can see, but it looks like not really. But that's it. I also got like this white blue color. Definitely not be able to see that, but that's what it looks like. And that's it for pigments, for colors to add. And then next, I know you guys all know what this is. This is the gloss base I got. I don't even remember. I'll tell you what size I got. The 3.5 pounds. And I've been getting the 3.5 pounds just because I have not been ready to make the big leap to get the big bucket size yet. It is like over $500 and it's a lot to just splurge, but I think the next time I order my Versagel, my gloss base, it will be the bucket. since I'm making sales and stuff and getting more money that I can use to put back into the business. But yeah, this is our Versagel. And I'm going to take it out for those who have never seen it before so you can see what it looks like. I'm glad that TKB Trading puts it in this box, not box, this protective like packaging, this USPS package separate in the box so that it doesn't spill or anything. Let me just open it. And if you guys wanted to know what hair I'm wearing, this is from Maven Hair. It's a mess also. I haven't done my edges. Like, I haven't done any baby hairs. I just popped it on, went to work. But this is the 360 wig. It's, I believe, the Brazilian straight. Loved it so far. It is so soft, so silky. I can do a video on this hair too if you guys want. This is it. The gloss base. And it was funny because I think last week, I don't know if this is still going on, I haven't checked, but the Versagel was sold out. I was very confused. Not confused. I was just like, oh wow, so many people are buying that they sold out. Crazy. This actually just like happened right after I placed my order for mine. So I got scared that mine was gonna be delayed, but luckily it's here, it came. I don't know which date they have now on the website. Last time I checked it was sometime in February, but now it's February, so I'm not sure. So yeah, that's why I'm definitely gonna get the bucket because I'm afraid that it's gonna sell out again and then I'm gonna be left in the dark not being able to make products for my customers. So this is a gloss base one more time. This is the baby. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. It was just an unboxing. TKB Trading, I've been ordering for the majority of my products, for especially like the lip products, like my lip glosses. For lip oils and lip scrubs, haven't been really ordering stuff from there, but for lip glosses and colors, very good. I'm excited. I'm going to be having nude glosses come to my site this month. I'm also going to be having a shea butter lotion. I won't give too much details on it, but a lotion is coming out soon. I've already made the sample, like the prototype, I guess, and I really love it. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Everyone I've showed it to has loved it. But definitely go on my website. I have the glosses on there, lip scrubs. We have zodiac necklaces. I'm wearing mine right now because I'm a Pisces, so it says Pisces. And these necklaces are great. They are stainless steel, so you could go in the water with them and shower. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can if you want to. You could sleep in them. I've slept in mine. I think I went in the shower with it once and it's been fine. It's shiny, it's great. So yeah, you guys should definitely check out my website. It is herucosmetics.com. That's HERUCOSMETICS.com. Or definitely give a follow. You know, the support is great. I understand some people can't buy things, but the support, the likes, the comments, just the daily motivation is great. You can do that. Again, it's at Heru Cosmetics and it's on Instagram. We also have a Facebook page, so if you want to search that too, you can follow, or not follow, like, and I post stuff on there. And I'm sorry if my lips are like chapped and dry. It's horrible. No, we're gonna fix this. Hold up. There we go. And since it's here, I'm sorry guys, I keep plugging my products in. I'm being a crazy saleswoman, but I just wanted to say what I just put on my lips is my lip oil. It is the rose lip oil and it's right here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'll probably put a picture of it somewhere on the screen somewhere. But I'm trying to do this as fast as I can before my camera dies. TKB Trading has most of my products. They're a really reliable source. They have tons of stuff. So if you're starting out, I definitely recommend go to TKB Trading. It's very reliable. Most of the stuff is vegan, which is great. So if that's your brand, you are safe getting stuff from TKB Trading. There's so many colors you can have fun with and mix, and the glitters that you can put in your lip glosses or whatever products you choose to sell, and it's just amazing. I love TKB trading. So check it out if you have a business or if you want to play around and do DIY cosmetics. Go to TKB Trading. I'll put the link down below for those who don't know. Hopefully in my next entrepreneur video I can do some more. If you guys have recommendations on what you want to see, like if you want to see the financial part, you want to see me make a lip gloss or a lip scrub or any of the products that I have, you want me to talk about vendors, like put it in the comments, DM me, let me know. I will do it. Like I am fully engaged and connected with customers and followers, subscribers, all of that. My whole following, my little following. I am so connected. So if you guys tell me you want me to do something, I will do it, hands down. I don't care. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe to this channel because we are gonna be putting out these entrepreneur videos in this series. Also, give me a follow on Instagram. My Instagram is at Mercedes X Chase, and my business is at Haru Cosmetics. I post every day, and you get to see my great products. You can also go on the website harucosmetics.com. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Definitely comment down below whatever you would like, and I hope you subscribe to this channel. I really like being, I love, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the few that watch these videos and are subscribed. I can't wait till the end of this year when I reach my goal and I see my vision board behind me and it's come true, and I have 1,000, who knows, of you guys, and I'm so thankful and I can't wait. So I'm gonna stop rambling. You guys enjoy the rest of your night, day, afternoon, whatever time it is you're watching this, and I'll see you next time.